mark, they run straight out by that first 200 meters. Not quite going to the cars follow strips. And then we have an airlock to redraw.
Valencia, seated number 8 going into this race here. They were third in the sweepstakes race here at Mount Sac, Redondo.
Good, Lance! You got this!
You're doing a great job, Rector. Keep pressing.
Let's go top 5. Let's go. Keep it up, Lance. Doing great, Lance. Use it, Lance. Come on, Lance. Go.
Good, Eddie. Keep pressing.
Later, lean forward.
Now hang in there.
Go, Lance.
Let's go, Harry. Here we go, Eric. Here we go, 11:20. You got it, boy, Eric. Level, Eric. Keep working. Hey, that's good work.
Come on, back mid. Let's go. Use your arms. Come on. Use it now. Come on. This is when we get strong. This is when you run with your heart. Come on, let's go. Run with your heart. Come on, focus, Tayo. Let's go, Tayo. Go, Tayo. Go, Joel. Go, Joel. Keep it up, Joel. Doing great. Come on. Use your arms. That's great. Doing great. Doing great. Doing great. It's all heart from here now, Joel. You got this. Come on, Joel. Go, Joel. Go. Separate, Joel. Separate. Hey, you're doing great. Come on. Start passing. All right. On the back stretch. All heart. Come on, man. All heart. Leave it out there. Leave it out there. Let's go. Go, Dante. Go. Leave it out there, Dante. Come on. Come on. Leave it all out there. Let's go. Let's go. Get them on the down. Leave it all out there. Let's go.
Let's go. Keep passing, people.
Looks like Newbury Park will have all 7 of its runners well under 16 minutes. And Deb Doshi is our winner, the sophomore from Newbury Park, 15:34. is his winning time. Christopher Walagorski of Redondo second at 15:43. Singer 15:44. And then Zaki Blunt of Newbury Park 15:50. Solomon of Newbury Park, Colin Solomon 15:50. Appleberg 15:50. Lex Young 15:50. Aaron Solomon. So the gap for the Newbury Park boys 2 through 7, 7/10 of a second. Aaron Solomon of Redondo 15:54 in 10th. Bulo of Valencia 16:04 in 11th. Kopp of Beckman 16:04. Chang of Valencia 16:14 and Guerrero of Downey 16:16. Landon Breckner of Roosevelt 16:60 in 5th. In our second heat, the boys came through the mile at 4:56. Santiago of Corona running well, 4 in the top 10. And a much more pack-like race here. Really, with about 35, 40 points, just a continuous line there. Everybody's still in it in Heat 2. And the leaders now coming down off the top of the switchbacks here to the halfway point. Cesar Cuevas of Highland and his teammate Matthew Donis right behind him. They go 1-2.